A bridge holds thousands of tons of cars every single day without breaking a sweat. But a few hundred soldiers marching across it in perfect sync, that could actually bring it down. That makes no sense until you understand one weird thing about how the physical world works. Welcome to Simply Put, where we take the questions that sound simple and turn out to be genuinely fascinating and break them down in plain language. No jargon, no fluff. Let's get into it. Okay, so first, think about a playground swing. If you push a kid on a swing randomly, sometimes when it's coming toward you, sometimes when it's going away, you barely move it. The pushes cancel each other out. But if you push it at exactly the right moment, every single time, right when it's moving away from you, each push adds to the last one. The swing goes higher and higher with almost no effort at all. That's the whole thing. That's the secret. Every object in the world, a swing, a guitar string, a wine glass, a bridge, has what's called a natural frequency. It's the rate at which that object naturally wants to vibrate when something disturbs it. Hit a wine glass with a spoon and it rings. That ring is its natural frequency. Now here's where the bridge comes in. When thousands of cars drive across a bridge, their weight is constant and spread out. It just sits there. Heavy, yes, but it's not doing anything rhythmic. It's not pushing the bridge in a repeating pattern, so the bridge handles it fine. But soldiers marching in step are different. Every time their boots hit the ground at the same moment, that's one big push, then a pause, then another big push, then a pause. And if the timing of those pushes happens to match the bridge's natural frequency, if the soldiers are essentially pushing the swing at exactly the right moment every time, the bridge starts to absorb that energy. Each step adds to the vibration from the last one. This is called resonance, and resonance doesn't care that the individual pushes are small. It accumulates. The vibrations get bigger and bigger until the bridge is shaking far more violently than it was ever designed to handle. At that point, the structure fails. This isn't a theory, it's happened. In 1850, a suspension bridge in Angers, France, collapsed while soldiers marched across it. Over 200 soldiers died. After that, militaries around the world issued a standing order: break step when crossing a bridge. Stop marching in sync. Walk normally. It sounds almost too simple, but it works because it destroys the rhythm, and without the rhythm, there's no resonance. The same principle shows up everywhere once you know to look for it. Opera singers shattering glass with their voice. The Tacoma Narrows Bridge in Washington State, which in 1940 twisted itself apart in the wind because the gusts were hitting it at just the right frequency. Engineers today spend enormous amounts of time calculating the natural frequencies of structures and designing them specifically to avoid this. So the lesson here is that force alone isn't the most dangerous thing. Pattern is. 1,000 random pushes do almost nothing. 100 perfectly timed ones can tear a structure apart. Nature doesn't care about size. It cares about timing. That's it for today. If this made something click for you, stick around. We break down a new question every week in plain language. No expertise required. See you in the next one.